A complete are 16,000 kilometers, and I have 500 days time, and then is this, yeah, I must need a holiday or a weekend or free time or whatever. 100 days, and then 400 days. You can see the mathematics. 16,000 kilometers, 400 days are 40 kilometers every day. But the last part from Shanghai to Osaka, okay, is not to walk. I am not Jesus. I cannot fly. It's over the sea. I must need the ferry. For me, it's okay when I make 5 kilometers one day in the week with auto stop or with bus or whatever. Also in the summary, 97%. The people are very open-minded, very chilling from the street coffees. This is my feeling from the people, and when I see the plan from the city, wow, it gives many points from history. Not the best history with German people, but other history. Also today in the morning, 7 o'clock, I eat Purik, but it's not so good for here. It's very, but from the taste, good. It gives spontaneity meetings with other persons in the coffee, and they say, "What? You go to what? Where? Champagne? Crazy! Come, we speaking." And then 2 hours later, buy beer or coffee, and hey, you can sleep by me, no problem. This is wonderful, and it gives minimum one time in the week.